फ्रेंड्स, आज की वीडियो में मैं लेकर आई हूँ इंडिपेंडेंस स्पीच। इसको आप बार बार सुन के इसके वर्ड्स को कैच करके याद कर सकते हैं। यही नहीं, अगर बच्चों को ऐसे लिखना हो इंडिपेंडेंस डे के ऊपर तो वो भी इसमें से मैटर निकाल सकते हैं, क्योंकि कई चीज़ें हमें सुनने से ज़्यादा याद होती हैं उसको पढ़ने के बजाय। तो यहाँ पर इंडिपेंडेंस डे स्पीच को देने का मेरा एक यही रीज़न है कि आप इसको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सुने, ताकि आप इसको कैच कर पाएँ और जब आपको स्पीच डिलीवर करनी हो तो आप आराम से कॉन्फिडेंटली उस स्पीच को डिलीवर कर पाएँ। और अगर आपको इसका ऐसे लिखना हो तो आप इसमें से वर्ड्स निकाल के उसको माइंड में रख के आप बहुत ही प्यारा ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं। तो चलिए फिर स्टार्ट करते हैं। Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. Today, we gather here to celebrate a momentous occasion in the history of our nation. Today, on this 15th day of August, we celebrate our Independence Day. Independence Day is a day of pride, a day of joy, and a day of remembrance. It is a day when we honor the sacrifices of our freedom fighters who, with their unwavering spirit and determination, freed our nation from the shackles of colonial rule. It is a day when we pay tribute to the countless men and women who fought valiantly to secure the freedom that we enjoy today. On this day, in 1947, India broke free from the chains of British rule, and the tricolour flag was hoisted for the very first time. It was a day that marked the dawn of a new era, an era of self-governance, self-reliance, and self-respect. It was a day that filled the hearts of millions with hope, aspirations, and dreams for a better future. As we celebrate this 77th Independence Day, let us remember the sacrifices made by our great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and countless others. These leaders, with their vision and courage, laid the foundation of a free and democratic India. Their sacrifices remind us of our duty to uphold the values of freedom, justice, and equality. Friends, Independence Day is not just a day of celebration. It is also a day of reflection. It is a day to reflect on how far we have come as a nation and how far we still have to go. It is a day to assess our progress and to pledge ourselves to the task of nation building. In the past 76 years, India has made significant strides in various fields. From being a predominantly agrarian economy, we have transformed into one of the world's fastest growing economies. We have made remarkable progress in science and technology, space exploration, healthcare, education, and infrastructure. Our achievements in the field of information technology have made us a global leader in the digital world. However, as we celebrate our achievements, we must also acknowledge the challenges that lie ahead. Poverty, illiteracy, unemployment, pollution, and corruption are some of the issues that continue to plague our nation. It is our collective responsibility to address these challenges and to work towards creating a more inclusive and equitable society. On this Independence Day, let us take a pledge to contribute towards the progress and development of our nation. Let us pledge to uphold the values of our Constitution and to work towards the welfare of our fellow citizens. Let us pledge to protect the unity and integrity of our nation and to promote peace and harmony among all. As students, we have a significant role to play in nation building. We are the future of this country, and it is our duty to equip ourselves with knowledge, skills, and values that will enable us to contribute effectively to the progress of our nation. Let us strive for excellence in all our endeavors and work towards realizing the dreams of our freedom fighters. In conclusion, let us remember the words of Mahatma Gandhi, who said, "The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others." Let us dedicate ourselves to the service of our nation and work towards creating a better, brighter and more prosperous India. Jai Hind. तो दोस्तों यह थी इंडिपेंडेंस डे स्पीच और एसे। आप इसको याद कर सकते हैं, इसको बार बार सुन सकते हैं और अपनी वोकैबुलरी भी बिल्डअप कर सकते हैं। जितना आप इसको सुनेंगे और उस मेरे साथ साथ बोलेंगे तो आपको ये जल्दी याद होगी। तो चलिए मिलती हूँ फिर नेक्स्ट में वीडियो में। बाय बाय। और हाँ, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें एंड प्लीज़ डू लाइक दिस वीडियो। थैंक यू। बाय बाय।